Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we have come to Oxborough Parish Church and Bedingfeld Chapel. As you can see, that's what it was, 14th century. Before we go and look around the ruins, I'll just show you the World War I gravestone. George English, Arthur Mops, Charles English, Richard Manning, Harold Mops. Two sets of families get two people die. And here we are. This is the ruin slash church. Really, really cool. Big old door. Old chairs. Where the stained glass windows used to be. Really, really. It's a strange feeling because, like I said, it's a ruin. But it's not a ruin in a way because you've got the church just here, which you can go in. It's like you go into the church through a ruin. Got the bell up there. It's quite cool. So the Bedingfeld bit of it is the people who built the Oxburgh Hall.
You wanna ring the bell?
No, I don't want to ring the bell.
Come on.
And this is the terracotta tomb.
You're not fun.
All the Halloween stuff. This is really creepy. Got skulls and that in there. He's trying to get in. So yeah, this is very, it's not creepy I wouldn't say, but it's sort of hard to describe.
It's atmospheric.
Atmospheric, that's the best word to. It's a working church, but it's aged.
Yeah, it's like half of it's ruined, half of it still in use.
Yeah.
You can get some books, old books and some CDs, music.
I suppose it was part of it that wasn't, you couldn't keep most of it, so they think, well, instead of knocking it all down, they keep the bit that they can use and
Yeah, the rest of it just, yeah, slay ruin.
yeah. So yeah, Oxborough Church with Bedingfeld Chapel. Very, very cool, I think. Don't you think, Millie? Very, very cool. So yeah.
You can't take better photos. They look the same.
No. Hopefully the video will sort of do it justice. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoys this video. Oh, we've got a jet. And we'll see you later.